Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities for mechanical graduates and automobile graduate. So name of the company is Mahindra and Mahindra. I will be giving the link in the description so that once you click the link, you will be directed to the official website and you can check the job vacancies which will be available. So let us go inside. So when you go to the official website of Mahindra Rise, so you can when you scroll down, you can see an option called search job. So you have to choose search job. So various job will be available. When you scroll, you just see whichever is applicable. So when you scroll back, you can see the number of page. So in that you have to choose page number 4. Okay, so either page number 4 or page number 5 executive CNC will be available. So I'm not sure, so just check it up. So it's available in page number 5. Yeah, executive CNC is available. You have to choose that, and it's a automobile sector. If you are willing to work means, then you have to click apply now. The job posted on 7th December. What is your responsibility? You have to understand the necessity on contribution of die manufacturing and knowledge of quality parameter for die manufacturing and 5 years requirement. So these are the things which they expect from you. So kindly if you have fulfilled those things means, then you can click apply now. Okay. So when you scroll down, you can see the educational qualification: diploma in engineering, diploma in mechanical, or diploma in tool and die manufacturing is available. General experiences, you must have minimum 1 or 2 years experience. So if you are willing means, just click on apply now. When you come back, you can see another CNC, executive CNC also. Just cross check, almost both are same, I think so. So once you click apply now, you will be getting an option. Once you click apply now, you need to enter the mail ID and password if you already registered. If this is the first time you are registering means, then you have to create an account and then apply for this job. When you come back, you can go to the page number 1. There you can see lead engineer. Click on that. For that, minimum 4 to 6 years experience is required. So be mechanical or automobile in MTech can apply for this. If you feel this video is useful means, kindly share the video to mechanical and automobile graduate. They will be making the best use of it. And do subscribe our channel and stay tuned with our channel. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.